Hey everybody, Signe and I are going to demonstrate a technique that we just thought of recently. We've been taking our spring walks every day outside. Today is a little rainy and blustery, so we haven't been outside today. But as we've been walking on our sunnier days, we've noticed that there's a lot more bees out. And it reminded me that there's a wonderful breathing technique called the bee breath that can be really useful in calming anxiety, and it can also help with concentration and focus. It's very simple. All you do is breathe in through your nose, and then when you breathe out, you're gonna hum. And as you kind of keep humming, it'll start to sound like the buzzing of a bee. So find a comfortable seat, sit up really tall, bring your feet to the floor and close your eyes. Just imagine that you are a lazy bee, gently floating through the air slowly, stopping from flower to flower, enjoying all the beautiful colors and fragrances. If you would like to, you are welcome to take your thumbs and close up your ears by pressing on that little piece of cartilage right in front of the ear canal, so you can just close that opening. And if you want to even further sort of put yourself in a little bubble and kind of dampen your other senses, you can bring your fingers over your eyes. So we'll just take 3 breaths. When you're ready, you can breathe in through your nose and then hum as you breathe out. Breathing in through your nose. And hum as you breathe out. Breathe in through your nose. One last time, hum as you breathe out. Let your breathing return to normal. Keep your eyes closed just for a moment and just take a moment to feel the vibrations sort of lingering in your face. Just notice how you feel. So you can use that humming bee breath whenever you need a little concentration, a little focus. You can also use it if you're feeling a little anxious. It's a nice way to relax before bed. Let us know if you give it a try. Thanks, everybody.